So today I wanted to talk about wealth creation principles and ideas applied to success in general. So if you end up finding the topic interesting, please feel free to hit the like button and share this video with some other people. And if you haven't subscribed already, maybe consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you can see other videos like this one. I've done several videos on Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill and The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace D. Wattles, including some that I've read chapters from the books and responded with my thoughts as I've read. Both books are bestsellers and successful in their own rights. Both books talk about success, mainly with the intent of getting rich, although most of the ideas and principles could be applied to success in general. The 13 steps from Think and Grow Rich are desire, although usually throughout the book it's referred to as a burning desire, faith, autosuggestion, specialized knowledge, so not general knowledge but specialized, imagination, which could also be considered creativity, organized planning, making a decision. The chapter title, I believe, is just decision, but really, it's the intent was making a decision. Persistence, power of the mastermind, master of sex transmutation, subconscious mind, the brain, a broadcasting and receiving station for thought, and the sixth sense, the door to the temple of wisdom. Some of the steps from Think and Grow Rich would arguably be tools instead of steps, but they are part of the process since there are 13 key principles or steps. If you leave just one out, you're leaving the door open for failure. The amount you use each piece depends on the level of success you achieve. The science of getting rich is like a recipe requiring fine-tuning to get the right taste. The book is more broken down into chapters. Some are more targets on how things work, and others are steps how you would do things. The Right to Be Rich is the first chapter and starts the framework, tries to get you in the right mindset. There are chapters on gratitude, thinking a certain way, one on acting a certain way, efficient action. If you piece together the philosophy from both books and mix the actionable steps, you create a more comprehensive game plan or roadmap for success. I will go into more detail in a future video with suggestions how to intertwine these philosophies, tools, and strategies. Thanks for checking this video out. Again, if you found it interesting, consider hitting the like button and sharing this with someone else. And if you subscribe and hit the bell notification, you'll see other videos like this when they get uploaded. Thanks, and have a good day.